Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to look for next smaller value, or else you can say approximate match when you're working with XLOOKUP function, so which is used for a couple of scenarios. So I have 3 examples here, so we can look for each an example. The formulas are given here up here, so you can look while watching this video. I'm going to write the first scenario here. So let's say I have a sales amount 0 and the commission rate here. What if somebody sold 10,000, so what should be the commission? And for 25,000, for 50,000 should be 6 and 8%. So I'm going to write the formula for 15,000. So the person has sold 15,000. So what should be the commission rate for that person? So XLOOKUP. So I'm going to write 18,000. I'm not going to write in quotes because this is a number. You write till 15,000. Okay, 15,000 and then comma. I'm going to select the lookup range and then the search range. Missing value is NA, and then I'm going to look for next smaller value, right? What it means is 15,000 is like between 10 and 25,000. For 10,000 it is 4%. For 25,000 it is 6%. So my guy has done 15,000 sales. So basically it falls between these two. So whichever is less, so that commission rate should be given. So 10,000 is less than 15,000, so it should give 4%, right? So this is how next smaller value works while giving the commission percentages scenario. And we have one more scenario here, which is about what should be the price per unit, right? So you have a wholesale business and then you want to sell quantities, and what should be the price per unit? So as the amount of quantity increases, the price per unit decreases. So I'm going to write the formula XLOOKUP. Let's assume 20, right, which is between 10 and 50. Now before I finish the formula, you can tell, like, if it is between 10 and 50, 50 is bigger than 20, so I will not give this price per unit, rather I will give this price per unit, which is $90. So I'm going to select the lookup range and I'm going to select the result range, missing value NA, and then -1, which is what is a lesser value than the search key. So it gives us $90. If I change it to 70, so it will give me the $80. And I have one more example here, which is about grades. Let's say, what if somebody scores between 40 to 60, like 40 and 60? Should it be given B or C? So let's write the formula. XLOOKUP. So the person has scored 50 marks. So I'm going to write the lookup range and then result range, comma, missing value NA, -1. So because it falls between 40 and 60, which is lesser value? 40. It should reflect as C. So this is how you can decide whenever you're dealing with any scenario. You can reduce the result to next smaller value so that you should not end up giving the high commission or high discount or high grade or any other scenario. I hope this helps you, and I'm going to give a copy of it in the description. You can make a copy of it and exercise. Thank you so much for watching.